We all have different sleeping habits and preferences. Some prefer the soft, cozy embrace of a plush memory foam bed, where I, for example, prefer a memory foam mattress that offers cozy comfort and ample support, while others, probably psychopaths, prefer a rather firm mattress.
You're a psychopath.
Just kidding about the psychopaths part. Not really. But here are some tips and tricks that you can do to help make your mattress more firm before splurging on a brand new bed. Again, we all have different sleeping preferences, and those preferences, along with our body type, play a huge role in how soft or how hard we prefer our mattress to be. Firm mattresses are known for being quite supportive, which means they do work well for many types of sleepers. Firmer mattresses are perfect for heavier sleepers, since these beds are more supportive to hold up larger bodies rather than letting these bodies sink into the mattress's layers. Firmer mattresses can help keep heavier sleepers' spine in a neutral position at night, which helps prevent lower back pain. Most stomach and combination sleepers usually prefer a firmer mattress as well. Now, before I give you some ways to how to make your mattress more firm, if you are dead set that you want a firmer mattress, then you can find our team's favorite firm mattresses right here on our YouTube channel. But if you're looking to save your hard-earned dime, then just keep on watching.
I've been waiting.
This may sound crazy, but did you actually know that the temperature in your bedroom can actually affect how hard or how soft your mattress is?
You sound crazy right now.
Now, unfortunately, this does primarily apply to foam beds, so if you don't have a memory foam bed, go ahead and skip to the next section. But if you do and your bed isn't as firm as normal, first try adjusting the thermostat for a quick, easy, and simple fix. Some mattresses are super sensitive to temperature, especially memory foam beds. Memory foam can tend to feel firmer in colder temperatures and feel softer in hotter temps. So if you're looking for a really quick and easy way to make your bed more firm, try adjusting the thermostat for a few days to see if that makes any difference in how your bed feels. Now, here are a few things that you can try to help make your mattress more firm than it currently is. And first, I suggest trying to flip your mattress. Now, you may have heard before that you should never flip your mattress, but that's not necessarily the case. Flipping your mattress can make it feel firmer because it evens out the distribution of filling. You can also rotate your mattress on a regular basis to help evenly distribute the fill as well. If you are looking for a flippable mattress, we suggest checking out either the Plank Firm or the Layla Original Mattress, both of which we have reviewed here on our YouTube channel or over on sleepopolis.com. However, do keep in mind that some mattresses aren't meant to be flipped. Many mattresses have multiple layers that are specifically designed from top to bottom, so flipping it will have you on the support side instead of the comfort layers. So you should always check with the manufacturer first to see if you're able to flip your mattress that you currently have before actually flipping it. Next, you can try adding a mattress topper. Mattress toppers are great at changing the overall feel of your mattress, which is perfect if you're looking for a quick fix. Mattress toppers are a great way to change up the feel of your mattress or extend the life of a less than stellar bed. Mattress toppers are an extra layer you can put on top of your mattress to make it either firmer or softer, perfect for changing the look and feel of your bed without spending too much moolah. Even though most mattress toppers help make beds feel softer, there are a few that offer extra support and feel more firm. You can find some of our favorite mattress toppers right here, just tap the screen. These can be especially helpful for back and stomach sleepers looking for more support around their lower lumbar region, but are unable to purchase a brand new mattress right away. If your mattress is sagging, that can explain why your mattress may feel too soft. So it's worth noting that it may actually be your box spring or foundation. If your mattress is sitting on a poor bed base, it can affect the way the mattress performs and feels. If the problem isn't actually your mattress, then I suggest you inspect your current bed frame or box spring and check for any damages or imperfections. You might need to replace or fix certain parts of it, or just get a new one altogether. Replacing these items could help provide an extra temporary boost of support. You can even try adding a piece of plywood board between your mattress and bed frame to help provide additional support. This could help make a huge difference in adding more support to your mattress's foundation while helping your bed feel a lot firmer as well. And our final solution may not be the most practical, especially if you're tall or have mobility issues, but again, it can be a temporary fix, and that's moving your mattress to the floor. Now, I know having your bed on the floor isn't the most appealing, but it can help if you are looking for a quick fix to a not so firm bed. Not only does having your mattress on the ground save you money and takes up less space, but it can help make the bed feel firmer and provide a more even distribution of support. Having your bed on the floor ensures you have an even playing field and the firm, stable foundation you are looking for. This is beneficial for folks with back pain or folks looking to switch out their bed's foundation. But keep in mind that having your mattress on the floor does mean you are more prone to dust mites and other allergens.
Ew.
And can make it more difficult for people with mobility issues to get in and out of the bed. And that's a wrap on today's video. If you need a quick fix to firm up your mattress, try any of these tips at home and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you found this video helpful, give me a like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you here next time.